Hey guys! Today's video is a little bit of a different video than I normally post. I decided that with the new year it was time to maybe try and get a little bit more organized and do a little bit more like journaling-esque things. I'm sure that you can tell by the title what type of video this is already. I decided a couple of months ago that I really wanted to go into 2019 and have a bullet journal. If a lot of you don't know what a bullet journal is, it's a little bit different than like a daily planner or like a regular journal sort of thing. It's where you can still stay organized and have like your day-to-day tasks that you need to do, but also, you know, depending on what type of person you are and really what your goals are with the bullet journal, you can put a lot of different things in there. So you can put, you know, like a mood tracker or a goals page or an idea page. Like in mine, you're going to see like a video idea page, and you can kind of just, you know, help yourself with that and really just see like month to month or week to week or whatever it may be for you, what is best. That's what really matters with bullet journals. But you can kind of just like keep up with yourself and kind of, you know, for me it's going to serve as kind of like a self-love, but also keeping my life organized and just really having a place that I can write my ideas down at and keep them all organized and in one space. So what's really nice about bullet journals is that you can personalize them to whatever suits your life best. So as I'm learning this process of bullet journaling, I did not go too far into the year. I really only went the first month in terms of like mapping out actual planner like things. But I did that because I wanted to make sure that I had room to grow into it, and as I learned it and as it really became a part of my life, I could actually, you know, find a way that best suits me. So I didn't want to plan too much into it in case, you know, a few weeks into using it I figure out, well, this actually doesn't really like serve my life at all, so let me try this. So I'm not very artsy, I'm not like into calligraphy at all in any sort of way. So I would like to classify my bullet journal as a minimalist bullet journal, and I did a lot of research by watching a lot of other videos, whether it was minimalist or not minimalist type of bullet journals. I also found a lot of pins just to kind of give me ideas of what I wanted to write down into my journal and kind of how I wanted to design them, because I don't want them to just be like super plain and simple, but I wanted them to be custom but not feel like I did something and it looked like crap and I don't like it anymore. So that was just kind of like my idea when it came to my bullet journal. And if you're interested in making a bullet journal, I am assuming that that is why you are watching this video, unless you really just like watching my videos. So either way, I still love you. However, I hope that this gives you ideas if you're interested in making one of these yourself. I got my bullet journal off of Amazon and I think it was like $10. I'll link it down below. If not, you know, this is a hopefully, I haven't edited it yet, but hopefully an aesthetically pleasing video that just kind of relaxes you as well. That's kind of why I'm talking in a little bit more of a calm voice right now, because I'm trying to make it relaxing and like aesthetically pleasing. I don't know what's happening to me. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get into my bullet journal. I'm really not going to talk much about it. I think it's pretty self-explanatory when you're going to see the pages that I created. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below so that I can answer them for you. And make sure that you don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, hit the notification button, and all of my other social medias, including my blog, are linked down below. And thanks for watching. Let's go ahead and get into it. felt like I just meditated. I don't think I'm meant to be calm. I'm too sarcastic.